Hello soulmates, welcome back again to my channel Ria and K, and today we'll be doing this. I'll be showing you how I achieved this. This is a simple cargo pants for an 8 years old. If it's something you're interested in, please stay with us to the very
Ria and K.
Welcome back. These are the materials we'll be using. This is a chinos material I got 1.5 yards. His measurement, of course, and a cutting area. This my cutting area was actually too small for me, but I later went down. You would see it as I proceed. So this is me here marking out the crotch depth, which is his hip measurement divided by 4. Please, if you have a child that has big bum like mine, please add extra 1 inch to this measurement. The hip circumference divided by 4 plus 1. If you're coming across our video for the first time, you're welcome. This is Ria and K. Here I share sewing tutorials for everything kiddies wear, both male and female. So if you haven't subscribed and you're interested in kiddies wear tutorials, please tap on the subscribe button and join us. Give this video a thumbs up so it gets to other people who needs to see it. Leave a comment in the comment section. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss a thing whenever I drop here. You would really love it here. Keep watching. So this is his hip measurement. I've done his thigh divided by 2, his ankle divided by 2, added about 2 inches, so the remaining ½ inch will be for stitching. So here I'm marking out the pocket, going by 2 inches, go down by 5 inches, and there you go. I've done the waist, the crotch depth, everywhere. You go down by ½ inch in front and give it a good slant there. So I decided to come down because that cutting space, which is my fridge, is not big enough and the camera wouldn't capture everything. So I'm on the floor now. For the waist part, I went up by 1.5 inches and link it up just as you can see. From that side, I'm going out by 2 inches. From the lap side, I'm going out by 1.5, and for the ankle, the down part, I'm going out by 1 inch. Like I mentioned before, I don't want it too big, so that is what I'm doing here, marking out all the points and linking them up. Then when I get to the crotch side that I measured there, I'll be coming out by 2 inches. Yeah, this place actually coming out by 2 inches, as you can see. Then give it a nice curve. Please pardon my switching lights. Give it a nice curve there, and there you go. You just cut it out. As you can see, everything is done. Next thing is to cut out and prepare other pieces for the trouser. For this pant, I'm not making the regular standard cargo pocket. I'm just giving it a simple side pocket that is out. Apart from this one, I just marked that is by the waist. There is a side pocket just by the side of the pants. So I'll be getting all the materials for it ready. So that's just it for this cutting for front and back piece of the trouser. So here I'm making a cut for the pocket. That's the side pocket that I've marked on the trouser, not the one for the design, the main pocket for the trouser. So I just do it in a way that it wouldn't get to the center point when I'm stitching. And the depth is, I think this for this one, the depth is 9 inches. But because this fabric is thick, I won't be using this fabric to cut out the 4 pieces. It will be too bulky. So I'm using a lighter fabric, this black one, to complete the 4 pieces I need. This black one will be inside, then the fabric will be the part that will be showing on the cargo pants. So this is me now cutting out the flap for the side pockets, for the just design, give it some to give it some drama. I don't want it to just look bland. So this is the cover piece for the side pockets. It depends on how wide you want it. So for me, I just went with this measurement. I can't really remember. I was just eyeballing everything and adding extra half inch for stitching by the sides. So with this one that I've cut out now, I'm cutting out the main side pocket, the one I'm adding for the drama. From this measurement is 9 inches. Then I'll be adding 1 inch for the top part because I'll be folding in the top part of the pocket. So I've added 1 inch to it for the top part. Then I'll be using the width of the pocket cover to also cut out for this pocket, so they both lap very well. So that's it. I cut out 2 pieces of this because the pocket will be on the two sides. Can you see? That's the pocket cover, the flap, and that's the side pocket. I'll be holding by half inch round. So to add more drama, I'll be adding this piece to the pocket cover just to give it more drama. Nothing really special. So it just I just eyeballed everything, got the length I wanted, and made the width to be 5 inches. So when you cut on fold, it will be 2.5. Be using half inch for stitching. Then the belt or strap will be like about 2 inches when you are done. So the next thing now is to hold the crotch area. You see, my measuring area is very small. I couldn't really capture everything on camera, but what I'm trying to explain here is we're holding the crotch area. I'm not adding a zipper, so there is no drama there for the front side. So I've stitched the crotch area now. So I'm prepping the black fabric for the pocket. I'm cutting out that part, that shape. I'll use it to cut on the black part. I've shown how to cut and attach a pant pocket in previous tutorials. If you go back, if this one isn't clear, you'll get a clearer view of how to attach this type of pocket. This my method, using this my method pocket to pants. So because I'm not putting a zipper, I'll just be making a false placket design in front to just mimic an actual zipper placket, but I'm not attaching a zipper to this. So this black one, you see, I'll put it front side facing front, and then stitch and top stitch, fold over, do the same thing on both sides. So I've done that, I've top stitched. Now it's time to seal up your pocket so you don't have holes in your pocket. So you place it over this way and match it up. The shape is supposed to be the same. When you are done, that shows you are doing something right. Can you see? From the back part, you just match it up there and stitch all the way around, just like I'm showing you here in the video. And once that is done, you do everything I've just done to this pocket to the other side. So I've stitched the back crotch side and the sides, but the center part I won't be closing it up because we'll be attaching a side pocket just below. This is waistband. I'll be adding an eyelet on those 2 points that I marked there. This is the strap for the side pocket. This is the pocket cover, the pocket, everything I've cut out and I have stitched. So the next thing, I'll be attaching this strap to the cover, and I've done that. I've ironed. The next thing is to attach neatly on the pants. I have a blurry video about the where I attach. This is my video, please pardon my video. So I'm attaching the side pocket flap now. I'm attaching the cover, the pocket cover first. You can see how I turned it up. The rough edge is facing downwards. So please don't mind me. I'm just explaining so many things at the same time. You can see I've done the eyelet for the waist. I've attached the eyelet for the waist, and that's the elastic band I'll be using for the waist. I'm also using a rope too for adjustment. Um has this ever happened to you? Your thread cutting midway while you are sewing? Drop an emoji, your favorite emoji, in the comment section if this has actually happened to you. It's so frustrating. And I was actually doing this sewing at night. It was a night thing. The kids had gone to bed, so I decided to just do one or two things. If you're still watching up to this moment, please give this video a thumbs up, tap on the subscribe button and join us if you haven't done so. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss anything. So this is the waistband. I've ironed it. I've attached the eyelet. Then this is me attaching the elastic. The elastic is its actual waist measurement minus 4 inches. You don't cut out the exact waist measurement for the elastic, while the band itself, the fabric, is the waist circumference for the pants that I've sewn. You measure it round, anything it gives you, you add half inch for stitching. Then that's what I just did now, and I've attached the elastic. It's going to have a jogger kind of look, but I decided to attach it to the pants first before I stitch it for that jogger waistband effect. So right now I'm attaching the elastic band that I've made now to the pants, and here you go. This is it, looking all neat. Next is to give it the jogger effect, and that's what I'm doing here, and our work will be done. So this is the final look, looking all neat and beautiful. I've attached the rope, everything I've ironed neatly, and it's looking cool. So this is us in the studio. This jersey, I'll be posting the tutorials very soon. Here is the final look. Until my next video, bye.